Here's the control panel I'm going to go through on the Georgetown. Up here you got gray, you hit the button. You can see it's empty. Black, you hit the button. It says 1/3. It's empty right now, but we might have about 2 liters of water in it with one of these cubes. When you do the bathroom, you're always going to want one of the cubes inside of there and a little bit of water. It makes the smell be non-existent. Fresh water, it says 2/3. It's pretty much full. The 2/3 button, if this was the tank, it's like right up at the very top, means 2/3, so it's pretty much full. Then we got battery power, LP gas is at 2/3. Then down here you got the water heater. You can turn it on by pushing this down button. It's going to automatically heat the water. You'll see this light go on stating that it is going to heat the water. It's going to use the electricity of the unit, or it's going to use the gas of the unit. Over here you have Arctic and PAC. That's going to put heat to the water lines if you're in freezing conditions. Then you have the water pump. It's just going to generate the water, generate the system to make so there's water in there. Then you have the main and the bed slide out. So these are pretty simple. It says main in, you just hit the in. For out, you just hit this bottom part. For in on the bed, you hit up here at the top. For out, you hit back here. Now to do that, you're going to need the electricity on, meaning permanent power, or you're going to need the generator on. Either one. Now if you're going to turn on the generator, you turn on the generator up at the front of the vehicle, you'll turn it on, you wait about 1 minute to 2 minutes before you use the slides. Also, you will not want an air conditioner on while you're trying to move out the slides if you only have the generator. There's not enough power there. It most likely will kick the generator off and cause a surge. So don't do that. Make sure the air conditioner up here and the air conditioner in the back is off. When you start moving out the slides, make sure you have the generator on, or you're on permanent power. If you're on permanent power, you can move the slides out and have the AC unit on at the same exact time. It'll give you enough power to do that. That is how you use this control panel. And before I end up, we'll go over to the air conditioner. You have modes here. It's on cool right now. If you want to change it to heat pump, you just hit the button over to auto, or to heat pump, or to the furnace, or fan, or off. We're going to keep it at cool right now. Once you do hit one of these over to like auto, you'll wait a second before, and then it will actually do what you're telling it to do. As you saw, I could go through all the modes without it actually changing anything on the air conditioner. And that is how you use the air conditioner. Thanks for watching.